What's good? What's happening? What's happening with y'all? Welcome to C&A'S World. And right now I'm here. I'm doing like a pop-up shop. Okay, we got some Lady Love merchandise here, and let me show you. Hold on, y'all. So right here we have the Break Every Chain shirt. This is a black king shirt. Okay, and we have just a black queen in there as well, sisters. And this is my setup. It's kind of blowing away with the wind. And we also have it in white. And I'm blessed shirt. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm blessed shirt. Yeah. We have some lip gloss here. We have some lashes here. Some edge control. And here's the bonnets, you know. And I have some hair as well in the suitcase, you guys. And over here we have Quezz, which is handmade jewelry, handcrafted jewelry, and we have some bags. And there's some bracelets, if you guys can see, and some rings. Earrings over here as well. And here's a black queen shirt. And here is the hats with the design, the detail. Some more clearance. And yes, that is Quezz. Website coming soon, bernicequezz.com. Here's the spelling. Alright. So yeah, this is our setup, you guys. Table is shaking. Don't shake the table. Remember that? What show is that from, you guys? Can you guys see that? This is the price list. LadyLoveHair.com. bernicequezz.com is coming soon. I'll show you the edge control. Here goes my son YRN Quezz and my nephew. Oh, he wanna run. He wanna run. He talk all that mess but wanna run. Anyway, his name is Pootie Sleeves, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we out here just grinding and doing some footwork, stuff like that. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? Huh? So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see what I was doing, what I was working on today. And that's what I've been working on for a minute, you guys. Get your t-shirts, get your church merch, get your lip gloss, get your bonnets, your edge control, your lashes, your hair. I have bundles of hair in this suitcase right now, y'all, as well. I can check that out on the site. Get your handbags from Quezz, your hats, your handcrafted jewelry. rings and bracelets, you know, earrings. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Coming soon, y'all. All right, I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right.
2 days later.
Yeah, it's really like 2 days later from the pop-up shop, and it was pretty good. You know, for the first day, it was pretty good. Yeah, and it was really fun. So, yeah. Right now, I just got to sit down from being out all day. The kids did not have school today. I took little Miss Stroughter to a play date. They were playing, having fun. And the baby, he tagged along too, because they have I think he's almost 4 years old. Well, 4-year-old, yeah, I think he's I think he's almost 4. Yeah. So he tagged along and he played as well. And it was really fun, you guys. But anyways, after that, she had an appointment with the dentist to get her new space, I think it's called spacer or space maintainer, to fill in that space where she got her tooth extracted, so it won't go, so the teeth won't shift. That's what I'm trying to say. So she got her new one on. The other one, it kind of was making her gums inflame, so they took the other one out and let her gums relax and chill for a few weeks. Probably was almost a month now. And so she got the new one on. And hopefully this one is more comfortable than the other one. But anyways, we just came back from that. Now I'm sitting here about to try to find something on TV, you guys. Look. Don't mind no mess, okay? But anyway, I just clicked to Hulu. They had Hellraiser on here. Whatever else they got. Anyways, yeah, right now I'm trying to find something on TV. And I'm going to sit here and put new price tags on my bundles. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Other than that, I'm just going to chill for a couple hours. Hopefully. Might not go that way, but yeah. Anyways, I think I will see you guys in the next video, not clip, okay? All right. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment to our channel, you guys. Be sure to check out the children's channel, Little Miss Stroughter, as well as Wiring Quezz, as well as www.ladylovehair.com. All right, check us out. Peace.